My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my mini tax course for beginners starting August the 1st. We're going to cover 15 different tax scenarios based on the 5 filing statuses. You'll receive forms and publications ordered from the IRS.gov website. We do live Zoom trainings to cover the information given to you for each week. So if you're interested in learning how to prepare income taxes and make extra income for the upcoming tax season, this program is definitely for you. You guys going to learn the bare minimum of what you need to be able to do to prepare basic income taxes on the 1040 individual tax return. And we're going to be training from the Federal Income Tax Publication 17. That's the publication that all vendors use to teach their clients from or sell the tax court from. It comes from that publication. And so we're going to be using a variation of that publication by me ordering you the different forms and schedules that's associated with you learning how to do basic 1040 tax returns. So if you're interested in that, definitely reach out to me at 773-782-1320. You can even text me to that number. Let me know you're interested and I can reach back out to you. Also, it takes time for the forms to come. So if you're interested in taking this course, it's $197 for the course, but if you pay for it before July 15th, it's $97. So you save $100 if you pay in advance before July 15th, because what I need to do is get your contact information, your name, your full address, so I can order the forms and publications from the IRS.gov website. Or you can do it yourself, where I can send you over the forms and publications, where you can go to the IRS.gov website and order them yourself. The choice is up to you. DIY or done for you. It's up to you how you want it done. But the course is scheduled to start August the 1st. But what will happen is, if I get enough students that's interested, who pay in advance, who are ready to take action, we will start the course a little early. But the only thing that's holding us up is the forms and schedules that I want you guys to have in your hand personally, that you can read from in black and white at your own leisure. But until your forms come, we can definitely leverage the online IRS.gov website and use the PDF version of those forms and schedules until your actual forms and schedules come to your home. So those are the two options when it comes to this basic minimum tax course that I'm teaching starting August the 1st. Because what happened is, I have a mentorship and coaching program that lasts 18 months. It's designed to specialize in helping with the new person who wants to make a career in business in the career industry of tax preparation and taxation. And so my mentorship and training course is designed for that new person to get started in the right way, give them the guidance, the leadership, the training, support, and accountability they need to be successful in this career industry. Is what my mentorship and coaching program offers. And so if you're interested in starting your own tax preparation business for yourself, and you might not be ready to go all in, but you want to get an idea of what it looks like to work in this industry, then take this basic tax course. Get your PTIN. The PTIN is what you need to be able to do income taxes for money. And so I can help you go through the IRS.gov website and fill that form out as well to get you ready to be able to work for the upcoming tax season, because we're working on getting ready for the upcoming tax season right now. So the people that I'm working with, we work to get ready all year round. We don't wait just to the last 90 days of the year to start studying and training for the upcoming tax season, because that's not sufficient, especially for the new person just getting started. They need to build a solid foundation with the knowledge and skills needed to do the taxes, mastering the professional software we use to do the work with, and then giving them some basic marketing strategies and techniques to use to go out and get clients. And so these are the things we're working on right now to prepare the clients for the upcoming tax season. So if you want to be a part of that, definitely reach out to me with my contact information, because I always leave my contact information inside all my videos. And so the quicker you reach out to me, the quicker you connect with me, the quicker you take action, the quicker I can order the forms and publications for you, that hopefully will get there on time so you can start going through the course with the actual publications in your hand. Because without that, then you'll have to have a reliable internet and a reliable laptop or desktop anyway to access the forms and schedules that we're talking about. We will be using professional software that's going to help you learn how to prepare individual 1040 tax returns as well. And so it's going to be a combination of software, combination of having you have the forms and schedules there with you, where you can attempt to learn how to do this by hand as well at the comfort of your own home, as well as using the software. So those are the different strategies we're going to be using to help you learn how to prepare basic 1040 tax returns. And so if you're interested in this opportunity, take action on it, and I'll see you in my next video.